ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 655 मधु ब्राह्मण। Dadyang Atharvana Rishi imparted the teaching to Ashwini Kumara. See this second last line of Bhashya on that page. Sanaye, Sanaye Labhaya. लाभलुब्धो हि लोके अपि क्रूरम कर्म आचरति तथैव एतौ उपलभ्येते यथा लोके तदाविः प्रकाशं कृणोमि यद्रहसि भवद्भ्यां कृतम्। लाभलुब्धो, any individual who is deluded or carried away by the gain. Loke api kruram karma acharati. In the world, he will also do krura karma. Like that, you too have done krura karma. तथा एव एतौ उपलभ्येते, एतौ अश्विनौ उपलभ्येते। यथा लोके, just as in the world, तद आविहि, आविहि प्रकाशम कृणोमि, I shall bring this to, means I will throw the light on this. Yad rahasi bhavadbhyam kritam, what you did in secrecy, I will tell everyone. I will reveal it to all. Kim iva ityuchyate. See in Tika now. So how he is going to reveal? First in the Tika. Katham labhaya api krura karma anushtanam ataha. Why for some gain person would do krura karma anushtanam ataha labha? Because he wants some gain. That's why. Nanu. So he is going to reveal now. See in Bhashya. Tanyatuhu parjanyo neva. Tanyatuhu parjanyo neva. Neva is na iva. Means na is iva. Na equals iva here. See in Tika. Nanu pratishedhe mukhyo nakaraha katham ivarthe vyakhyayate tatraha. Nakara is always used for pratisheda, for negation. Why are you using it for iva artha? Katham iva arthe vyakhyayate tatraha. Nakarastu uparishtat upachara upamarthiyo vede na pratishedhartha. Nakara here is for upachara. Nakarastu uparishtat means upachara. Upamarthiya. Upama is simile. Simile here it is in the form of iva. It is not for pratishedha. Means not for negation. Nakara here is for upama, simile. Tika. वेदे पदाद उपरिष्टात् यो नकारः श्रुतः स खलु उपचारः सन् उपमार्थोपि संभवति न निषेधार्थ एव इत्यर्थः. In the Vedas, when the pada is given, padad uparishtat yo nakarah. The nakara which comes after a pada, it is used for upama also. not only for nisheda. Nakar which comes before the shabda will be for nisheda, but nakar which comes after the shabda can be used for both upama also and nisheda also. So पदात् उपरिष्टात् यो नकारः श्रुतः स खलु उपचारः सन् उपमार्थो अपि संभवति न निषेधार्थ एव इत्यर्थः. तत्र उदाहरणमाह the example for that is यथा अश्वं न. यथा अश्वं न means अश्वम इव इति यद्वत्. सी इन टीका. अश्वम न गूढ़म अश्विना इति. अश्वम न गूढ़म अश्विना means, simple example you take first. Raja na. Raja na means he is like Raja. He is not Raja, but he is like Raja. So Raja na is Raja iva. In that meaning it is given. So like here, this is some Veda Vakya. Ashwam na gudham ashvina. Ashwam na gudham ashvina. So this nakara is yatha upamarthiya Vede. Tatha prakrite api. Like that here also. Because this is also Veda Vakya. Tadeva spashtayati. In Bhashya. Ashwamiva iti yadvat. उपमार्थीये नकारे सति वाक्य स्वरूपम अनुद्य तदर्थम कथयति. उपमार्थीये नकारे. नकार which is for उपमा. उपमार्थीये नकारे सति वाक्य स्वरूपम अनुद्य. Now, in which context it has come, so that he is quoting now and giving the meaning. तदर्थम कथयति. भाष्य. तन्यतुरिव वृष्टिम यथा पर्जन्यो वृष्टिम. So there is a rishi who is the mantra drashta, who is talking about what happened between Dadyang Rishi and Ashwini Kumar. So he said, I will reveal what you Ashwini Kumaras did to Dadyang Rishi in this way. Yuvayoho. Yuvayoho.
Swamiji, we could not hear from Tanya to onwards.
Stanayitnuhu. Stanayitnuhu means lightning. Stanayitnu adi. Stanayitnu is either used for thunder or Stanayitnu is also for lightning. So it is also doing prakashanam. Prakashayati. Stanayitnu adi shabdaihi. Vrishtim prakashayati. Stanayitnu parjanyaha vrishtim prakashayati. Stanayitnu also vrishtim prakashayati. In the same way, I will reveal what you both have done. Yuvayoho kruram karma avishkrunomi iti sambandha. टीका. विद्यास्तुति द्वारा तद्वंतावश्विनावत्र न स्तूयेते किंतु क्रूर कर्मकारित्वेन निंद्यते तथा च आख्यायिका विद्यास्तुत्यर्था इति अयुक्तम इति शंकते. Somebody says you are doing Vidyastuti. This looks like Ninda of Ashwini Kumara and all. Vidyastuti dwara tadvantau Ashwinau atra na stuyate. These Ashwini Kumaras which are part of this Vidya and they have the Vidya. So tadvantau Vidyavantau Ashwinau atra na stuyate. This is not their stuti. On the other hand, you are revealing their krura karma karitvena nindyate. Tatha cha akhyayika vidyastutyartha iti ayuktam. How akhyayika is for vidyastuti? Iti shankate nanu ashwinoho stutyarthau. In Bhashya. Ashwinoho stutyarthau. कथम इमौ मंत्रौ स्यातां निंदावचनौ हि इमौ अश्विनोः स्तुत्यर्थौ दिस अश्विनी कुमारस स्तुत्यर्थौ कथम for their stuti, how these two mantras are for their stuti. Imau mantrau katham syatam ninda vachanau hi imau. Imau mantrau, they are criticizing Ashwini Kumara. टीका आख्यायिकायाः विद्यास्तुत्यर्थत्वम् अविरुद्धम् इति परिहरति. आख्यायिका is for Vidya Stuti and it is not contradicted. So Vidya Stutyartham Stutyarthatvam Aviruddham iti parihadati Naisha iti. Naisha doshaha. Stutireva esha na nindavachanam. This is not criticism. This is praise only. यस्मात् ईदृशम अपि अतिक्रूरम कर्म कुर्वतो युवयोर न लोमच हीयत इति. Because even after doing this much krura karma, not even a loma, means this the hair on the body, even that didn't get destroyed. Means even that didn't get affected. This is the praise of Brahma Vidya. टीका लोम मात्रमपि न हीयत इति यस्मात् तस्मात् विद्यास्तुत्या तद्वतोः स्तुतिः एव अत्र विवक्षिता इति योजना. लोम मात्रमपि न हीयत, even that much effect they did not have of this karma. Yasmat tasmat vidyastutyaha. By this the vidyastuti is done. Vidyastutyaha tadvato avidyastutya tadvatoho stutihi eva. By the praise of the vidya, those who have vidya, their stuti is also done. How in Kathopanishad it is said? Shravanayapi bahubhiryo na labhyah. So, Shravanaya api bahubhihi. This Atma Tattva is not available for many, for Shravanam also. Means if you get the opportunity to do Shravanam, it is so great. This is the stuti of Vidya. By that, at the end he says, Ascharyo Vakta Kushalosya Labdha. Ascharyo Jnata Kushalanushishta. So by that, the knower of this is also praised. The one who will get it now or in future is also praised. In Gita, how it is given? No. Not that sloka, somewhere else in Gita. One is this Yasmin Sitona Dukkhena Gurunapi Vichalede. But later in 18th chapter, there is a (1816 or 18) around that you should say.
यस्य नाहं कृतो भावः बुद्धिर्यस्य न लिप्यते.
Hatvapi sa iman lokan na hanti. This is that. Hatvapi na hanti. Na badhyate. What is the number? 1870. Hatvapi sa It is not in Bhashya, if you read, you will know, it is not saying that you should, once you have the knowledge, you can do anything. It is the Vidya Stuti. Vidya is so great. Stuti reva esha na ninda vachano. Tika. So स्तुति रेव विवक्षिता इति योजना. यद्यपि क्रूर कर्मकारिणोः अश्विनोः न दृष्टहानिस् तथापि अदृष्टहानिः स्यात् एव इति आशंक्य. Somebody says, let's say Ashwini Kumar did this krura karma, there is no evident suffering. That could be there for many criminals. They do something and somehow they manage to escape here, there. But adrishta hani is there. Later they will be punished. Iti ashankya kaimutika nyaya na aha. Kaimutika nyaya is given in the Bhashya. Nacha anyat kinchit hiyate eva iti stutau etau bhavataha. If the hair itself doesn't get affected, this is Kaimutika Nyaya. Then what to talk of their punya getting affected? Not at all. Not a little harm could come to them. So, kimu vaktavyam anyat kinchit hiyate. Na anyat kinchit hiyate iti. Now you see in Tika, कथम पुनर् निंदायाम दृश्यमानायाम स्तुतिरिष्यते तत्र आह. In ninda, it is evident they are doing ninda. Nindayam drishymanayam stuti hi katham ishyate. How do you say there is stuti? So it is said, nindam prashamsam hi laukikaha smaranti. Laukika, they say ninda is prashansa. Criticism of one is praise of the other. So criticism is done not for its own sake. It is to either push me somewhere else, take me somewhere else, or praise something else. That is given the Nyaya in Tika. Nahi ninda nindyam ninditum apitu vidheyam stotum iti. This much you can underline. Nahi ninda nindyam ninditum apitu vidheyam stotum. Ninda is for ninda of something, which is nindya. But it is doing stuti of the vidheya, what I should do. Like if some acharya says, not studying Vyakarana will not take you far. Means, he is trying to say, you study Vyakarana. So he is not criticizing you that if you don't study, then you will not get much understanding, etc. What he is saying is, therefore get inspired to study Vyakarana. So this ninda is not for ninda of something, of the person, etc. It is for inspiring him to study something else. यथा निंदा न निंद्यम निंदितुम एव तथा स्तुतिरपि स्तुत्यम स्तोतुम एव न भवति किंतु निंदितुम अपि. In the same way, praise also could not be always, need not be always for praising someone. It could be, praise could be for criticizing somebody else. Like if you say, if there are two students and one student studies well, does everything, and the other doesn't study much, does other things, mind is always distracted, then you praise one student. But that praise is not for this. It is scolding the other person indirectly, that why are you not studying? But if you scold that person may feel bad. So you say, I will praise this one. Oh, very good. You are excellent. So then the other person will get inspired. Like that, in Veda also such things are there. If somebody is doing Laukika karma, then they will say, these people who do karma, they will get Swarga, this, that. So those people who are doing Laukika karma, they are told, drop this and do Vaidika karma. Because how much you will get through Laukika karma? Within this world, you will get something for very short time. You see these souls who do Vaidika karma. Where do they go? Then those who are doing Vaidika karma and somebody needs jnanam, so they'll say, avidyayam antare vartamanaha, swayam dhiraha. Criticize them. That ninda is, nahi ninda nindam nindidi. It is not that karma ninda is there. It is said, jnanam is so great. Go for jnanam. Jnanam means you need vairagya. First thing they will say is this one. Jnanam means, tyagena eke amrutatvam. Amrutatvam means tyaga. There is nothing else. तथा च न अनयोर व्यवस्थितत्वम इत्याह. अनयोः स्तुति निंदयोः. So by this anavasthitatvam, anavasthitatvam means is not that ninda is for ninda or stuti. No, anayor vyavasthitatvam. Vyavasthitatvam, ninda is always for ninda or stuti is always for stuti. It is not like that. It is variable. By doing ninda of one, you want to do stuti of something else. By doing stuti of one, you are doing ninda of the other in this. तथा in भाष्य प्रशंसा रूपा च निंदा लोके प्रसिद्धा. प्रशंसा रूपा निंदा, this is prasiddha. टीका तद्वाम इति इत्यादि मंत्रस्य पूर्वार्धम व्याख्याय आख्यायिकायाः स्तुत्यर्थत्व विरोधम च उद्धृत्य उत्तरार्धम व्याचष्टे. तद्वाम इत्यादि मंत्रस्य, so this mantra that we are discussing, पूर्वार्धम व्याख्याय, the first part of the mantra व्याख्या is done. So first is brahmana, then mantra. In that mantra, first part Vyakya is done. Then there is Akhyayika. Akhyayika was explained. Then whether the Akhyayika is for Stuti or Ninda, so there is Stuti or Tattva. Whatever Virodha was there, that Virodha is brought and refuted. Udritya, now Uttarardham Vyachaste. Now the later part of the mantra is being said. तद्यं नाम अथर्वणः ह इति अनर्थको निपातः. अथर्वण, अथर्वणस्य अपत्यम अथर्वण. ह इति अनर्थको निपातः. So the mantra said, तद्यं ह यन मधु अथर्वणो. So Dadyang is the name of the rishi who is born in the Atharva Gotra. अनर्थको निपातः. यन मधु कक्ष्यम आत्मज्ञान लक्षणम आथर्वणो वाम युवाभ्याम अश्वस्य शीर्ष्णा शिरसा प्रयदीम उवाच यत् प्रोवाच मधु. यन मधु कक्ष्यम, यत् कक्ष्यम ज्ञानाख्यम. ज्ञान लक्षणम. Kaksham means that which is of the nature of knowledge. Jnanakhyam madhu. Because in the Pravargya Brahmana, this madhu has come as upasana. Its form is slightly different. Similar thing comes in Chandogya also. There is a madhu. But their madhu is for upasana. It is associated with sun. So in the next mantra, they will explain that. But here it is Atma Jnana Lakshanam. Atharvano Vam Yuvabhyam. This Atharvana Rishi Yuvabhyam Ashvibhyam. Ashwasya Shirshna Shirasa. By the head of the Ashwasya Shirshna Shirasa Prayadim Uvacha. Pra and Uvacha will go together. Yat is separate and Im is अनर्थको निपातः. ईम इति अनर्थको निपातः. सो यत् प्रोवाच मधु. इन टीका यत् कक्ष्यम ज्ञानाख्यम मधु तद आथर्वणो युवाभ्याम अश्वस्य शिरसा प्रोवाच. यच्च असौ मधु युवाभ्याम उक्तवान् तद अहम आविष्कृणोमि इति संबंधः. यच्च असौ मधु युवाभ्याम उक्तवान्. असौ. असौ शब्द, what is the मुख्य सूत्र there? First sutra, how does asau come? Others is the pratipadika. Then others.
अदसः औ सुलोकश्च.
अदसः औ सुलोकस्य. This is the मुख्य सूत्र there. अदसः औ सुलोपश्च. And then adau will become asau.
तदोः सः सावनन्त्ययोः.
Tadoho saha sahavanantya. Everything is given in the ashtadhyay.com. Tadoho saha savanantyayoho. What does that sutra do?
In the place of dakara, sakara adesha will happen.
Dakarasya sakara. Asau. So asau madhu yuvabhyam Ashwini Kumarabhyam uktavan tad aham avishkranomi iti sambandha. So I shall reveal that to you. Yuvabhyam uktavan. Yuvabhyam is Chaturthi. With this 16th mantra is complete. 17th टीका. समानार्थत्वे किम इति पुनरुच्यते तत्र आह. If there is same meaning in Pravargya Brahmana and here, then why you are saying this again? Tatra आह. In Bhashya, idam vai tan madhu ityadi पूर्ववन मंत्रांतर प्रदर्शनार्थम. Idam vai tan madhu, this is for मंत्रांतर प्रदर्शनार्थम. Another mantra. See the 17th mantra. Idam vai tan madhu dadyangaatharvano ashvibhyam uvacha तदेतद् ऋषिः पश्यन्न वोचत् आथर्वणाय अश्विना दधीचे अश्व्यं शिरः प्रत्यैरयतं सवां मधु प्रोवाच प्रवोचत सवाम मधु प्रवोचत ऋतायन्त्वात् ऋतायन्त्वाष्ट्रम यद्दस्रावपि कक्ष्यम वामिति इदम वै तन्मधु दिस मधु विद्या दद्यंग आथर्वण taught it to Ashwini Kumar. Ashvibhyam uvacha. Tadetad rishi hi pashyanavot. So there is another rishi who is the mantra drashta who sees these mantras, that this is what happened between Dadyang, Atharvana and Ashwini Kumar. Pashyan avochat. He said this. What he said? Atharvanaya Ashwina dadiche Ashvyam shiraha प्रत्ययरयतम आथर्वणाय चतुर्थी ददीचे चतुर्थी ददीचे आथर्वणाय by these Ashwini Kumar Ashwina Ashvyam Shiraha. Ashwa means Ashwasya Shira, the head of the horse. Pratyayrayatam ir gatau dhatu ayrayatam. Ayrayatam is लंग लकार, आई थिंक द्विवचन, मध्यम पुरुष द्विवचन. So this by Ashwini Kumar, the head of the horse was made attained to the Dichi Rishi. Shiraha, Ashwam Shiraha is Prathama, Ashwina is Tritiya. Shiraha Ashwina Atharvanaya Pratyayrayatam. This will be the smaller Vakya. Savam Madhu Pravochat. That Rishi who gave the Madhu Vidya Pravochat. Ritayan Twastram. So Twastra is Surya Sambandhi. That is given Twastra, Surya Sambandhi. Ritayan, Rita means Satyam. For the performance of Satyam. Sandhi Abhava Arshaha. 4 number Tippani says. The Sandhi Abhava is Arsha there. We'll see that in Asha. So Ashram, Yad Dasravapi. Dasra means this karma, which is called Dasram. Dasravapi Kakshyam Vam. Kakshyam Gopyam, this secret knowledge which he gave. In Bhashya, Idam Vai Tan Madhu Ityadi Purva Mantrantara Pradarsanartham. This is like another mantra of the Pravargya Brahmana, which is presented here. Tulyarthasya Brahmanasya Tatparyam Aha. This Brahmana and the previous one, Tulya Artha, they have similar meaning. So what is the objective? He says, Tatha Anyo Mantras Tam Eva Akhyayikam Anusarati Sma. Anya Mantra, this next mantra also is reminding of the same Akhyayika. So 16 and 17, both are related to the same Akhyayika. Anusarati Sma. Anusarati Sma. Lat Lakara. What is the sutra? What is the sutra? Latsmai. There. Let's may. Let's may. Saptami. Sme is Saptami. So this is, instead of using lit lakara, they will use lat lakara with sma. So we have seen this. Yajati sma yudhishthiraha. This is the Drashtanta in Siddhanta Kauri. Yajati sma yudhishthiraha. Lagu also same Drashtanta. So anusarati sma means not lat lakara. You have to remember lit lakara. Because all this happened paroksha, so everything is lit only. Let's may. Tika Visheshana Krityam Darshayan Vyakaroti. So the Visheshana part is showing Vyakaroti. Atharvano Dadyang Nama Atharvano Anyo Vidyata Iti Ato Vishinashti. Somebody may think because Atharvana is also there, Dadyang is also there. So then maybe there are two rishis. So it is said no. Atharvana because his Gotra is there. And his name is Dadya. Dadyang Nama. So what will be the Pratipadika? No, Dadyang. Dadyang, because next is Nakara, so Anunasik again. Otherwise, Dadyach. The Dadhiche it came. So Dadyach should be the Pratipadika. The next line it says Dadicha. See? Dadyang Nama Atharvanas. Tasmai Dadicha. So Dadiche. Like Vishwach becomes Vishwang. Vishwang. Anya Utkramane Bhavanti. That one. Kathopanishad. Dadicha Atharvanaya. He Ashvinau iti mantra drishau vachanam. He Ashvinau. Tika. Prathamam Ashvyam ityadi. So see the bhashya now. Ashvyam, Ashwasya Swabhutam, the head of the horse. Ashwasya Swabhutam Shiro Brahmanasya Shirasi Chinne. Ashwasya Shiras Chitva Idrisham Atikruram Karma Kritva. So Ashwasya Swabhutam Shiraha Brahmanasya Shirasi. The head of the horse, they put it on the Brahmana. And Brahmanasya head on Ashwasya. Chinne Ashwasya Shiras Chitva Idrisham Atikruram Karma. They did this Atikrura Karma. Kritva. Ashvyam Shiro Brahmanam Pratyairayatam Gamitavantau Yuvan. Ashvyam Shiraha Brahmanam Prati Airayatam. The head of the Ashwa. So when the Brahmana Shira was cut, then Ashwa Shira they brought immediately and put it on Brahmana Shira. Mean they only cut Brahmana Shira, then they put the Ashwashira, then Vidya started, then Indra destroyed that head. टीका पदार्थवचनम अश्वस्य इत्यादौ छित्वा इत्यस्य कर्मोक्ति अश्व्यम शिर इति अत्र तु अन्वयार्थम उक्तम इति विभागः. First Ashvyam he is explaining, then Padarthavachanam Ashwasya. Ashvyam means Ashwasya. Then later he brings again Ashvyam, Ashvyam Shiraha. This is only to do Anvaya. Actually, once only you have to read Ashvyam in the sentence. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.